what's going on, guys? John here, gonna play some stick fight.
Oh yeah, wait, okay, crap, okay, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good. Oh my gosh, what? No, I did not see that.
What?
Yes.
You always win.
Yeah, I always win the first one, guys. You didn't know.
Are you like he's like freaking...
I'm good with the fist. Yeah, yeet.
Yeet.
I told you, oh my gosh, I thought I was blue for a second. No.
Oh my god. That was sick. I just like came up to you and stab, jab, jab, jab.
Jab, jab, snap, stab. Oh, yes.
Okay, you're gonna kill yourself with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeet.
Yeah.
Yeet.
Get him, snakies. Get him, snakies.
No.
Yes. Jokes.
They're gonna get you, dude. Ow.
No, not my own snakes.
My name is Nick
yes.
Pumpkin.
Yes, I was about to fall off because of the power of the shotgun. My gosh.
I don't know what you said. But who cares? I don't care what you say. Just frick.
Oh, dang.
Run, dude. Oh, God.
Run.
Run.
Run. Da-na-na-na-na.
What?
Yes. Mine said
Ow.
riggedy wrecked. Oh, yeah.
You're a hacker.
Riggedy wrecked.
I hate this gun. It's like bounce. Oh
my god.
Oh my god.
I love that machine gun. Oh, it's amazing.
Yo,
you can get through so many rounds in like about 2 minutes.
Water.
Okay, yeah, I see how you got that one. I see how you got it. Okay.
Oh my god.
Goodbye.
Yeah,
what?
yeet.
Boom.
Bruh,
Get
you
that out of here. Oh my gosh. Ha.
Riggedy wrecked.
Dude, wait,
Yeah,
let me do something. Dude, don't hit me.
Okay.
Guys, listen to the message. Listen to the message.
Oh wait, hold on, dude, hold on. Oh wait, listen to my message.
I don't hold on, I just shoot. That doesn't even make sense.
Look at the message, guys.
Yeah, listen to him.
Yeah, yeet.
Oh my.
Huh.
Wow, man. That's how I say. What was that?
Yeah, what was that?
Real nice. Yeet.
Yeet. Yeah, yeet.
Okay.
Oh,
Sorry, I was really focused.
This guy is really good with the spear. Joseph's really good with the spear, FYI. I'm good with the sword.
Never bring a gun to a spear fight because I will always win. Okay, no, I won't. Dang it. You say I'm good with the spear and people don't think I'm...
No, trust me. I played rounds with him and he's really good with the spear.
Yeah, it's only when I record. It's only when I record is when it's bad.
These things will launch you to the air. Trust me. See? Be my test dummy.
Oh, whoops! I was pressing S instead of.
Okay. They didn't need to see you.
Okay.
Oh yeah. By the way, guys, in 2 more weeks or less, I might get glasses. No, well, I am getting glasses.
No.
Let's have a spear fight.
No, I will win.
What?
Yes.
Dude, the floor was like disappearing. Was it?
Yay.
Did it disappear for your screen?
What disappear?
The floor.
Well, it's a balance beam. If you put more weight on one side, then it will lean that way.
No, I mean,
Oh,
shoot, Mickle! Shoot, Mickle! Shooty shoot, rickety rick.
Wrecked. Oh no. I hate this one.
Yeah, yeet. Oh.
I did it.
Mickle,
I did
Frank
it.
Mickle. Frank Mickle.
comments down below.
Yeet, 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 yeet.
I hate the shotgun. It knocks you back so far.
You mean recoil?
Yeet.
Yeet.
Wow.
Eat it.
This is what I have to say about this. Wow. Okay.
Yeah, yeet.
Okay, I know the pattern of this.
Me too, I
This
know
one
the
goes
pattern.
down, then this one. Haha. Dude, were you the one that was punching me? Or was I the one that was punching
I was
you?
the one that was punching you, I believe.
I think you were punching me.
Yeah, yeet.
Dang it, it said eat it. It was like, eat it. That's what it said. Eat it. She become one of your skins. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do this.
Never bring John to a fist fight. Because
What?
I'll die.
Never bring me into a fist fight. What are you talking about?
Because you'll win. What?
Yeah, I'll win. Don't never bring me to a fist fight, man.
No,
Never bring me with a spear to a gunfight, because I will win.
Never do bets with.
Crushed. The boxes like saved me from recoil, so that's why I used the shotgun on that one. Otherwise, I would have just thrown it. Like, look at this, guys. Oh crap! No, I wanted to eat it.
Guys, never
I
do
wanted
bets
to
with John.
Eat it.
Don't do bets with John or else you'll lose.
Yeah, you'll lose no matter
Lessons
what.
learned, kids.
Wow, you just killed yourself with your own gun.
Suicide.
Good for you. No, I'm not done today.
Yeah. Yeet. Okay,
You just
I don't
hurt-
like that.
But I still lost. Yay.
Because you suck.
Okay.
I don't know what I just did.
Okay.
Revolver. No, give me that revolver. Oh, shoot.
No, I'm good. What? You're probably gonna die of the recoil, man.
I did.
Yep, told you.
Dude, what if I got saved by the recoil?
GG no recoil.
That's sad. Look at my head bouncing.
What? Oh yeah.
Yeah, yeet.
You good, bro?
Yeah, I'm
You
good.
good? Yeet. Oh dang, I should not have done that.
Yeah, yeet. 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 Yeet.
I'm really focused, guys. I know there's a
Yeet.
way to like hack
Yeet.
these things.
Yeet. Oh.
What? Oh my gosh. That was funny. Funny stuff. You said low. All time low, 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 low. Please pursue me low, low, low. I don't know what I'm saying, but I
Sue
want.
him. Report him.
What?
Report this guy.
Oh
Yeah.
dang, I thought I could hide behind the... Wow.
Dude, I did some push-ups. I did some sit-ups.
You did some... You did some... I don't know what those are, man. Wow.
GG.
Wow. Is there a smudge on the camera? Sorry if there is. Oh my gosh, nope. I'm out of here, man. I'm out of here. Dude, try to shoot the chain of the ball thing. Try to shoot the chain. Oh, dang, that doesn't work.
I wish I could work. Yeah, yeet! Oh, no.
Yes! 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 One more second and I would have been dead, but I got you.
Let me do those push-ups first so I can be strong.
Wow. Man, that was a cough, not a grunt. P.S. I don't get that mad. Ah, no.
Easy.
No! That's how I say no. Okay. Okay, rip. What? Stop doing that.
No! Yes!
No! What? Yeah.
Oh my god, what did I do?
Okay.
Okay, I'm back. Yeet! 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 Yeet!
Ha. Ha.
Ha.
Yeah, that's how I spell hall. That's how I spell hall, guys.
Wait, no, it's not working. Only specific holes. Okay, we're done.
Okay. Please don't kill me. Yes!
What?
Oh my gosh! That was amazing. Like, that was...
Dude, the laser's still on the
there's
left.
still those lasers from last time.
Probably a glitch.
No, that one's too OP. If you get me inside that circle, yeah,
Get
basically, if I get inside, if he shoots me and I'm inside that circle, the circle will explode, and I die.
I'm doing those push-ups.
Okay,
Yeah.
I win. Haha. You forgot to shoot the other chain.
Oh.
Sorry for being quiet, guys. This is a first. Because I'm very talkative. Okay, rip. I'm really bad at the snake gun, so I'm saying rip because of me. Uh-oh.
Yay.
Easy. See, look, I'm really bad with the snakes.
No, you just died.
So I think, like, handguns and shotguns destroy the ice.
Any gun besides the snake gun.
Yay!
Guys, don't mess with him.
Haha, you will never get me.
Bro.
Funny stuff. Okay. Part 2. Funny stuff, part 2. Bro. I'll probably add in, like edit, that bro stuff. You know, the edits. Yeet. Really, man? Good job. Good job. That's how I spell good job, guys. Sorry, I'm being really yeet nation lol. What? Or LOL. I don't know how you guys pronounce it. Shoot.
Oh God.
I was just like bang bang. Whoa.
Yeet.
Whoa. Wow, the ice killed him. The ice killed him. Wow. Okay, let's get that gun. Oh. I don't want that. Get that out of here.
Get
It
that
came
out
back.
of
It's
here.
like a boomerang. See, this is what I want. Oh, it's the stupid pumpkin gun. Okay, it destroys ice though. Cool. Dang it. At least I hit him with the pumpkin.
Yeet.
So, real nice. Thank you.
Whoa.
Okay.
Slow down, dude. Please, can I kill you? No
No.
fighting.
No fighting. What? Get
Oh
that.
no.
Get that out of here. Okay, so this is a gun off. We gotta shoot the legs so that the other person will fall off. Like, look. Gotta point at the legs.
Like this.
He's trying to. You're hacking. You're floating. Dude, you're floating. Hacker. I call hacks. Dude, did you see that? No? Dude, you were hacking. I shot both of your legs off. Go. Stop, man. Just stop. Stop. La. Oh, dang. That you shot me like twice. Poop. That's how we spell poop, guys.
That's how he spelled lol. No!
They could not hide. Wow, this will probably be the last one, and then that will be it for today's video.
No, give me that, you hacker! Hackers don't deserve this like you.
Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to John John's channel and my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Noise, man.
Oh my God, let me end this.
What?